Meet the B-52 bomber. It definitely did not sing that awful song, Rock Lobster. That's a dad joke if I've ever seen one. This plane is older than your grandfather, and it can still end a war. The B-52 Stratofortress first flew in 1952, carries up to 70,000 pounds of bombs, and can fly over 8,800 miles without refueling. It has 8 engines, a wingspan wider than a Boeing 737, and it's designed to operate at high altitude for hours. Originally built to deliver nuclear weapons during the Cold War, it's still active today, and the Air Force plans to keep flying it into the 2050s. That means this bomber could serve nearly 100 years.